Hi, my name is Harriet Fisher. I'm in grade 12 and I'm from Canada. I first learned about the AP Capstone program from a variety of different guidance counselors as well as teachers. I also heard a lot about it from students who had taken it in the past, and at my school we're very invested in making sure that everyone in the school knows all about different research projects. So I knew that it was something super interesting from the beginning, and I decided to enroll in it because research is a really competitive skill. It's something that's really important to have that not a lot of high school students get exposed to, and it's a really great opportunity. So my AP Capstone research project is looking at communication and storytelling on TikTok. So TikTok is a digital media that lets users content create with different audio and visual mediums. It's a really interesting platform because it's one of the most downloaded of all time, and it's a very different social media than we've seen before. So I'm looking at how people talk, why people talk, what they say and how they say it, as well as different trends and discourse, and analyzing that all together. The thing that I enjoy most about my project is getting to connect with a lot of industry professionals, as well as content creators. I've got to interview really interesting people and work with really interesting people. I also get to watch a lot of TikToks as part of my research, and I definitely have a really enjoyable time. AP Capstone is a really great opportunity as a high school student, and this is because research is, again, a really competitive skill to have. Not just when you're applying to universities, but also when you get in. If you're thinking of trying to work as a research assistant, you want to get closer to your professors, you want to do more academic research, having these skills before everyone else is something that will give you an unprecedented edge over anyone else applying. It's also just a really great opportunity to network. You have the opportunity of meeting with different mentors. So for example, my mentor works at Carleton University. My program has partnerships with Carleton and the University of Ottawa. Those are really great connections to make, especially if you're thinking of applying to those schools. You have the opportunity to network with industry professionals. Whatever field you're working in, you're always going to be wanting to make connections to those people in those fields, whether you're going to interview them, ask them for resources, ask them for help. You also have the opportunity to use your work in your portfolio. So that's something that is definitely going to set you apart. Having a portfolio of research at the age of 17 or 18 is something that very few high school students can say, especially in schools that might not provide this program. A lot of universities will ask you if you have abstracts of research that you've done. So that's something really great to have. You can also submit your work to academic journals. You might be able to go to academic conferences. So doing this program will really open a lot of doors to a lot of different opportunities that would be really difficult to do otherwise. This is also a really safe place to start learning more research skills. Mostly because research is very difficult to get in with no experience. But this way you're open to error. It's all trial and error. Whatever happens, you have a lot of support to get through it, and whatever you do, your project's going to come out great. So I would really recommend this program, especially if you're thinking of doing any kind of academic research in the future. And it also really introduces you to a particular field. So whatever you're interested in doing, you'll become an expert on it, and you'll get really immersed in whatever project you're doing. I hope anyone watching this is really excited to start the program and is thinking about enrolling. I think this program is going to get much bigger over the next couple of years, and the alumni network of AP Capstone is giant. Everyone stays in touch and everyone is really excited for everyone else. So you should really consider this program. It gives you a lot of skills, it's super competitive, and it's a program that isn't comparable to anything else.